On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make homemade beef chorizo quesadillas. Let's get to cooking. All right, so first things first, we want to make the chili sauce. I know it's called chili sauce. In the blender, we got quarter of an onion, 3 cloves of garlic. We have a plethora of spices, chili flakes, SPG, calc over course, double pepper calc over course, and our fajita rub. And a little bit of chili flakes. You don't have to use chili flakes. You can use a spicier dried chili if you would like. Just whatever you want to do. But to this, I'm gonna put a half a cup of water. We're gonna blend it up. I'm on low right now. High. I forgot to, I need to steep these first. Let's steep these. Well, they'll go in there. It doesn't matter. You just want to put these in a little bit of boiling water and put the lid on them for about 20 minutes. We'll be right back. All right, we're back. I know I was forgetting stuff. I was sitting there looking at dried chilies, anchos, guajillos, and now we blend. Oh, yes. That's what you're looking for, a nice little chili paste. Now, we have a pound of 80-20 hamburger meat. This is gonna be a beef chorizo. I like to mix a little bit in there first and then see. And this beef, believe it or not, it'll just absorb it up. Now, if you're making this day of, I mean, technically you could cook this right now and you're gonna be fine. But I like to let them set and marry in the fridge overnight. And luckily, we made a batch yesterday. I mean, you guys know how I feel about chorizo here in Oklahoma. But I was like, you know, the one thing I've never had is a chorizo quesadilla. Well, that, my friends, changes today. That's what it looks like. So we'll set this aside. The batch we made yesterday for the quesadilla, we got some nice big tortilla wraps, freshly ground Oaxaca. Can't beat it. Ready to move to the flat top?
Let's do it.
All right, we'll do about 1/3 of a pound. Think that's enough meat? I love Oaxaca cheese. This is one of my absolute favorites. Nailed that one like a split hog. The beef chorizo quesadilla. This thing is gonna be nuclear hot. You ready? Come on, baby. All right, I've been actually thinking about this one since we made the chorizo yesterday. I'm just gonna get a bite. That's fantastic. That's absolutely fantastic. The only thing that needs is some Valentine's extra hot. Maybe a little sour cream with some avocado. That's it. I can't eat no more. So I want to thank everybody for watching. If you want this recipe right here, head on over to kosmosq.com/recipes. Print it off, make it for yourself, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm gonna save this one for you guys. You can't, like, you have to